Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to put a border around text in Microsoft Word document. So firstly select your text where you want to insert a border, then click on insert, then click on design. Now click on page borders. Now in here select borders, then box, apply to, so select text, then click on OK. So as we can see, this text is in border. Similarly, you can insert a border to paragraph, page border, borders, and select box, apply to, select paragraph, then OK. So hopefully guys you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. In this short and quick video we can know how to apply a border to a text in MS Word. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.